The first thing you want to do is go into the Google Drive and open up the file called shipping label created. The shipping label created file basically keeps a record of all packages that are on their way to us in the mail, and then has information to fill out for those packages. We have this document so we know the defective rates of each package, where the package is supposed to come from, the payment information for each package, such as whether we paid a person or not, and we also have checkup information on this to make sure that each package is treated right and the right things are done for each package. So what you want to do is click on shipping label created. And then what you want to do is type in the shipping label of package. So USPS shipping label has a shipping label tracking number located right under the barcode on the package. So when you have it, you're going to hit Control plus F. That activates the find function, so hit Control plus F, and then you're going to type in the tracking number of the shipping label. Remember, keep the spaces in the tracking number. If you don't put spaces in, the find function won't work. So in this case, the shipping label we have is 9405 space 9036 space 9930 space 0117 space 7124 space 42. As you can see, this row has been selected, so this is where all of the information will be input right here after you've gone testing. And just so you know, you will be doing all of your work in the green section. And right here, you have the defective rate, which will be the results of your testing. And then you'll also have checkup functions to make sure that you've saved the video, you've saved it as in the right place, you've physically added the correct screens into the correct screen inventory. There's been a witness that you've put it in there. You've put it into the computer records. And then you've put the bad screens in the respective boxes, and you've taken a picture and sent it to your supervisor. So after you have opened the shipping label created, you will also need to input open wondershare video editor. Just click on that, double click it, and you'll see the wondershare video editor icon will open. Double click on standard. And then what you want to do is hit record, and then when you're ready to record, you'll hit the record button.